Hello, my name is Afroz. I'm 24 years old. I'm a student studying in United Kingdom. I was hit with an rheumatic fever last in 2017, and from there I started pains in my joints and started from my right knee. After that, I was consulting many rheumatologists. I was prescribed many medications with painkillers. I tried them, none of them worked, and then we switched to homeopathy. I also tried Ayurvedic, but none of them worked. Coming months and months passed, my condition was getting very worse. The right knee was very painful, and everything was like I was losing my mobility with my right knee pain. And then I managed to do my work, and it's been 2 years. I moved to United Kingdom, and last in 2022 I was COVID positive in January. Then it was the same condition like how it started. From then I started losing my mobility because of my right knee. I was hardly able to walk for 10 steps. I stopped doing all my works and it was getting complicated. So I consulted an orthopedic there in United Kingdom, but they told me to wait for 6 to 8 months, but I was unable to bear my pain. Then I spoke to my father. He took the contact of the Dr. Kirti Paladugu with some of the other doctors, and one day he came and spoke to Dr. Kirti Paladugu. He gave us a confidence that we were very confident to go ahead with my knee surgery. Then I came to India in June 2023. Immediately doctor started examining me. All my blood results were clear, and immediately next day he called us to the Yashoda hospital, high-tech city, for the knee surgery. I spoke to Dr. Kirti Paladugu. He was excellent. Like, he explained what are the circumstances that I'm going to face, but with the positive feedback I was very confident to move ahead with my surgery. Then immediately we admitted in the hospital. The very next day he took me to the surgery. The pain was literally very bad. Even it was very difficult for me to even go to the washroom or walk around for 10 or 20 steps. That moment, the hospitality, the treatment was excellent. After that, after 15 days, I was walking all by myself. After 2 days after the surgery, I just left the walker and was walking on my own feet. And it's like the doctor, by the grace of God, I'm back to my normal life with the help of the Dr. Kirti Paladugu. It's like he helped me to get back to my life, normal life. So all the thanks is for the Dr. Kirti Paladugu. Also the very best hospital in the Hyderabad, I can say, with the hospitality that they gave us. I'm back to my normal life. I can walk. I'm doing all my works with just after 15 days of the surgery. Thank you.